For at least 2.5 years now, Rahul Gandhi's most vociferous attack on Prime Minister Modi, the BJP and the Modi government has been Ambani, Adani. It's been an allegation of corruption, crony capitalism and everything in between. It was amplified even more during the entire electoral bonds issue. Rahul Gandhi in Parliament, outside Parliament, would constantly taunt the Prime Minister specifically and personally, as well as the Modi government, to say, why doesn't this government talk about Adani and Ambani? Ye chuppi kyon? So always questioning the perceived silence over Adani Ambani. Well, Prime Minister Modi today seemed to completely reverse swing on this issue by raising Adani and Ambani and firing a bullet directly at Rahul Gandhi, asking why the Congress party and Rahul Gandhi, since the elections have begun, have gone completely silent on Adani and Ambani, and provocatively asked whether they've been hoarding black money for these industrialists. Take a look at this very surprising twist on the campaign battlefield.
India's top billionaires. Among the top most wealth creators, also India's biggest poll flashpoints.
ये कांग्रेस के शहजादे 5 साल से एक ही माला जपते थे। 5 उद्योगपति, 5 उद्योगपति, 5 उद्योगपति, फिर धीरे धीरे कहने लगे अंबानी अडानी, अंबानी अडानी।
Now it is turn of Prime Minister Narendra Modi to return Adani Ambani fire at Rahul Gandhi, questioning his sudden silence on Adani and Ambani, asking if Rahul got paid by the billionaire duo to keep quiet.
लेकिन जब से चुनाव घोषित हुआ है, इन्होंने अंबानी अडानी को गाली देना बंद कर दिया। मैं आज तेलंगाना की धरती से पूछना चाहता हूं, जरा ये शहजादे घोषित करें कि इस चुनाव में ये अंबानी अडानी से कितना माल उठाया है।
This is the first time Prime Minister Modi invoked Adani and Ambani to attack the Congress. So far, it has been Rahul who would often attack the Prime Minister and the BJP over allegedly favouring the industrialists.
अदानी नाम है, आप जानते हो, उसकी नजर आपकी जंगल, जमीन और जल पर है और नरेंद्र मोदी उसके लिए काम करता है। और अदानी जी चाहते हैं, नरेंद्र मोदी जी चाहते हैं कि ये जो किताब है ये खत्म हो जाए और उनका बिना इस किताब के राज चले।
Sister Priyanka rushed to Rahul's aid, claiming Modi is getting nervous.
प्रधानमंत्री जी अब घबरा रहे हैं। प्रधानमंत्री जी भी समझ रहे हैं कि देश में बदलाव का जज्बा आ गया है, कि देश चाह रहा है जवाब, कि 10 सालों में आपने पूरे देश की संपत्ति बड़े बड़े खरबपतियों को दे दी है, हमें क्या दिया है, जनता पूछ रही है।
Adani and Ambani have been recurring theme of Congress's poll attacks. But now with Modi turning the table, the poll battle over billionaires has hit fever pitch. Bureau Report, India Today.